Okay, I want to go to this place called Burgers Tokyo. But maybe we have something. Okay, I've made a plan for us already, chat. Give me 1 second. There's this one other spot I want to go. Burgers Tokyo. Alright, save it. Okay, we're good. Get 2 black band-aid and do both sides, like NFL. It's going to only be a POV stream if you keep this up, chat. Zoomy POV stream only. Do you see any ramen vending machine? No. Oh, this person's having trouble coming. Alright. Rushy, stop trying to go rogue. No. Okay? If I can't ban people, you can't ban people too. Also, I'll have to demod you. Oh my god, that's a weird frog. I don't really know any Nelly song. Oh, that looks cool. You watched the YouTube about the machine? Yeah, they have those. We are. Is Nelly the rapper that raped someone? No, it's R. Kelly. This is the place. Burgers Tokyo. We can go up to the 2nd floor. I thought it would be nice. But weirdly, it looks super empty. That's an interesting way to remember an artist. I think I was like recently just going through, looking through like this news article and just popped out. Or was it on TikTok? I don't know how I got my... But yes. But look at it. Look at this burger. Oh my god, the Shimokitazawa curry. I think that might be interesting to get. The fudge. What is inside that? Oh, they have one called Hello Wasabi. Oh my god, they have so many different variety. Which one should I go with? Hello Wasabi also looks interesting. Look at the parfait they got as well. Yeah. The best seller is the good cheese. Then this is only in Shimokitazawa. Which one should we go for? Okay, chat, I'll let you decide.
It's the Zumo cooking time. Let's see what we have in the fridge.
Thank you, Lumboy. I appreciate it. Thanks for the 4545. Wuggy wuggy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. Woo! My voice is so weird. Love boy, love boy, love boy. Which one? I like to make my decision before I go inside and then like awkwardly stare at the menu